Hello everyone, our new daily driver has arrived. It's a 2021 Model Y, VIN number around 96k, and I'm just gonna show you real quick the panel gaps. So far so good. The only issue that I see is in the back trunk. It's shifted a little bit to the side, and that's probably going to be taken care of later. But here the hood panel gaps are very good. So up next, there's going to be detailing, ceramic pro, paint protection film, and all that good stuff. So if you're interested, subscribe, and my videos with the Golf R are still gonna continue, and both cars are gonna be on the channel. See you soon.